Lesson number 9, Motion and Types of Motion. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First, if a ball is released from a terrace of a building, it comes down in uniform linear motion. On the other hand, it reaches the ground in non-uniform linear motion if it is thrown with a force away from the terrace in a direction parallel to the terrace. Second, the motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is linear. Third, the kite looking for its prey flies with circular motion in the sky. Fourth, children sitting in a rotating giant wheel have uniform circular motion, while those sitting in a merry-go-round have a non-uniform circular motion. Question number 2. Identify the types of motion. First, movement of the earth around the sun. Answer, periodic, circular. Second, movement of a ceiling fan. Circular. Third, a meteor falling from the sky. Linear. Fourth, a rocket launch from the ground. Linear. Fifth, a fish swimming in water. Random. Sixth, the plucked string of a sitar. Oscillatory. Question number 3. How are we different? First, oscillatory motion and linear motion. Oscillatory motion. First, in oscillatory motion, body swings back and forth. Example, motion of a swing, motion of a pendulum of a clock. Linear motion. First, in linear motion, an object shows displacement in a straight line. Example, a train in a motion, motion of a marching soldiers. Second, linear motion and random motion. Linear motion. First, motion on a straight line is called linear motion. Example, motion of a train. Random motion. First, the motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Example, motion of a bird. Third, random motion and oscillatory motion. Random motion. First, the motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Oscillatory motion. First, the motion of a body that is swinging back and forth is called oscillatory motion. Example, motion of a butterfly. Example, pendulum of a clock, the swing of a bird. Question number 4. Explain in your own words, giving one example each. First, linear motion. An object that shows a displacement along a straight line is called linear motion. Example, a vehicle moving on a road. Second, oscillatory motion. The motion of a body swinging back and forth is called oscillatory motion. Example, motion of a pendulum of a clock. Third, circular motion. The motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Example, motion of a ceiling fan. Fourth, random motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Example, motion of a butterfly. Fifth, periodic motion. The repetitive motion in which the moving object passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. Example, the minute hand of a clock. Question number 5. Answer the following questions in your own words. First, which types of motions are seen in birds flying in the sky? Answer. First, the birds flying in the sky exhibit random motion. Second, the wings of a bird shows oscillatory motion. Second, what is a speed? Which formula is used for finding out speed? What is the unit of speed? Answer. First, the distance traversed by an object in a unit time is called the speed of that object. Second, speed is equals to distance traversed upon time required for traversing distance. Third, the unit of speed is kilometer per hour or meter per second. Third, a bus covers a distance of about 200 kilometers from Solapur to Pune in 5 hours. How much distance does the bus cover in 1 hour? Answer. First, speed is equals to distance upon time, which is equals to 200 km upon 5 hours. which is equals to 40 km per hour. Second, distance is equals to speed into time is equals to 40 km per hour into 1 hour, that is equals to 40 km. Open-ended questions. Question number 1. Use your brain power. In which musical instruments can you see oscillatory motion? Answer. Vibrating diaphragm of a tabla, drum, dole and strings of a sitar, guitar shows oscillatory motion. Question number 2. Write in detail about your experience of various types of motions while riding a bicycle on a road. Answer. First, the cycle itself shows linear motion. Second, the wheels of the cycle shows circular motion. Third, the cycle chain shows periodic motion if the speed is uniform. Fourth, the handlebar shows random motion.